Number 1.
1985 Chevrolet C20, price $8,500. It features a white exterior paired with a blue interior, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, the motor has been completely rebuilt and now has just 18,000 miles since the rebuild. It's equipped with aluminum heads, a new carburetor, new spark plugs and wires, long tube headers, a new power steering pump, alternator, battery, and fuel pump. One notable upgrade is a fuel-saving feature that allows the truck to shut off to 4 cylinders while cruising on the freeway, improving gas mileage. The exterior also includes tinted windows at 3% and LED lights, which the current owner has begun installing. While the truck runs great and drives smoothly, the paint could use some attention.
Number 2.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It's powered by a strong and reliable 350 motor paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth and dependable driving. The exterior is finished in a bold red color that turns heads wherever it goes, while the interior features a clean and classic camel, tan, upholstery that complements its vintage charm. The truck is equipped with stunning 17-inch intro chrome rims, giving it a show-stopping presence on the road or at car meets. Loaded with extras and tasteful upgrades, this Chevy 1500 has been maintained in excellent condition and is ready for the road. It runs and drives great, making it a must-see for any collector or enthusiast looking for a hard-to-find classic truck in outstanding shape.
Number 3.
1973 Dodge D150, price $5,750. With approximately 125,000 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in a vibrant orange, complemented by a black interior, giving it a bold and timeless look. The truck is overall in solid condition for its age.
However, the driver's side door shows damage from a previous incident before the current owner acquired it. The floorboards are in need of replacement, but structurally, the vehicle remains sound.
One unique detail is the vintage sports equipment rack mounted on the rear window, a relic from the original owner that adds to its nostalgic charm. What you see is what you get, a straight-up, honest old-school Dodge truck that's ready for the next chapter.
Number 4.
1987 Dodge D150, price $4,800, powered by a 318 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission. With just 88,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in good running condition and is ready for the road. The truck is finished in gray and features a solid body overall, though there is a dent on the cab roof. To make up for that, it comes with an extra cab included in the sale, providing a great opportunity for restoration or customization. Underneath, the truck has been upgraded with a new 6-inch flip kit and lowered control arms, giving it a more aggressive stance. It sits on brand new 255 BFG tires, adding to both the look and performance. The exhaust is currently open headers, giving it a raw and powerful sound.
Number 5.
1976 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,800, powered by a reliable 4.1L inline-6 engine and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. This truck delivers an engaging driving experience that's hard to find in today's vehicles. The exterior is finished in classic blue, giving it a timeless look, while the interior retains its vintage charm. It runs on gasoline and has recently received important mechanical updates, including a brand new clutch and exhaust system, ensuring smoother performance and a satisfying exhaust note. While the speedometer is currently not functioning, the truck has been driven at speeds exceeding 70 miles per hour, demonstrating its strong engine and roadworthy condition. It's not a fully restored show truck, but it is a solid running project with great bones and tons of potential for someone looking to complete or personalize it.
With a clean Texas title in the seller's name. Number 6.
1973 Ford F250, price $10,000. It's powered by a robust V8 360 cubic inch engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and confident driving experience. With 156,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has proven its reliability and is still going strong. The extended bed offers extra hauling capacity, making it both a practical and nostalgic choice for those who appreciate classic American pickups. The truck features a matching green exterior and interior, giving it a bold, period-correct look that stands out on the road. While the gas gauge is currently non-functional, the truck is equipped with 2 fuel tanks, one of which is in use and operating properly. It has recently passed an emissions test and is driven occasionally, usually a few times a month, for special rides or weekend cruises.
Number 7.
1996 GMC 3500, price $7,000, powered by a 5.7L gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. With approximately 170,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives great, proving its durability and strength over the years. The truck features a gooseneck hitch and a trailer brake controller, making it ready for heavy-duty towing or hauling. It also comes with practically new tires all around, ensuring dependable performance on the road or job site. The exterior is finished in red, while the interior is a classic beige. Like many vehicles of its age, the clear coat is peeling in some areas. Additionally, the passenger side dually fender has a visible crack, purely cosmetic and not affecting the structure or performance in any way.
Number 8.
1963 Ford F100, price $8,500. This truck is a timeless classic that blends vintage charm with modern upgrades, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Under the hood, it has been converted to a reliable 302 V8 engine, mated to an automatic transmission that offers smooth and effortless shifting, perfect for both city cruising and weekend drives. The truck features a striking red exterior that wears a naturally aged patina, giving it a rugged and authentic look that turns heads wherever it goes. Despite its age, this F100 starts right up and drives great, showing just how well it's been maintained. It presents an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to restore a classic to its full glory or simply enjoy it in its current, road-ready condition.
Number 9.
1970 Ford F100, price $10,000, with approximately 70,000 miles on the odometer. It's powered by a performance-built 351 Windsor V8 featuring a mild cam, Edelbrock aluminum heads, an Edelbrock air gap intake, a Holley double-pump carburetor, full MSD ignition, and an aluminum radiator. Power is sent through a built C6 automatic transmission paired with a Dana 60 rear end. Additional performance features include a line lock system, custom traction bars, and a fuel cell, with the battery relocated to the back of the bed for better balance. The truck rides on front disc brakes and currently sits on slicks, while retaining street-legal functionality with working lights and turn signals. The body sports an off-white exterior with airbrushed side graphics, a fiberglass hood and front bumper, and the rest of the panels are steel. The bed floor is custom fabricated from aluminum, and the truck features a gray interior with custom aluminum door panels and bucket seats. All windows are plexiglass except for the windshield, which remains original. The vehicle is not currently running, it turns over but doesn't stay on, which is reflected in the firm, low asking price.
Number 10.
1975 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000, features a bold yellow exterior paired with a classic tan interior.
It's equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline.
Underneath, the frame is in excellent condition with no rust damage or previous repairs, showcasing how well it has been preserved over the years. The truck sits on a 4-inch lift, giving it a commanding stance and improved ground clearance. Powering this Chevy is a 350 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, and it includes a tilt steering column for added driving comfort. A new gas tank has recently been installed, and the dual exhaust system sounds strong and aggressive thanks to Flowmaster-style mufflers. Please note, the vehicle is not currently running, and while there is no title available, a notarized bill of sale will be provided to the buyer.